how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our profile, and after going back in our profile, we will get to see after scrolling we will get to see an option there. We'll click there in help and support, and after clicking on help and support, we'll click on report a problem. After clicking on it, we'll continue and we'll click on include, and after clicking on include, we will there select for marketplace there, and we will just type what is not working. Here I am typing I am having a problem issue with marketplace, and yeah, you can write whatever problem you're getting, and here I am writing mine that my marketplace is not loading and I need it to be solved or fixed in my account. So after that, you can send it, and yeah, that will help that your marketplace in your Facebook will be fixed in this way after Facebook take your account. And now we can check that our marketplace is loading now. And what we can also do is we can check our Wi-Fi connection, and we can keep our phone in airplane mode and again turn it off so that our internet connection will be restored. And yeah, that is how we can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading problem.